Imagine not coughing for 30 years. Sounds impossible, right? But that's the surprising claim surrounding a concoction known as the Chinese miracle drink. This intriguing potion, steeped in Chinese tradition, is said to have the power to keep your lungs clear for a whopping 3 decades. It's an audacious assertion that sparked curiosity worldwide. So can a simple drink really achieve such a feat? This may sound like a tall tale, but let's dive deeper into the mystery of the Chinese miracle drink. So what's in this miracle drink that's got everyone talking? Well, it's steeped in the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine and crafted with a variety of potent, health-boosting ingredients. The core components of the Chinese miracle drink include herbs like goji berries, revered for their immune-boosting properties, and chrysanthemum flowers, celebrated for their cooling and detoxifying effects. These ingredients are meticulously combined, following age-old recipes, and then steeped in hot water to create a potent brew. The process is not unlike making tea, but the result is a drink that's so much more. The principles of traditional Chinese medicine that underpin this drink aim to balance the body's vital energies, promoting overall health and well-being. Each ingredient is chosen not just for its individual properties, but for how it harmonizes with the others to create a balanced, healthful blend. It's not magic, but a blend of nature's finest brewed to perfection. But the real question is, what can this drink do for you? Let's dive in. The Chinese miracle drink is reputed to pack a powerful punch in the health department. Its most astonishing claim? A single glass can potentially stave off coughing for a whopping 30 years. Imagine that 3 decades of cough-free existence with just a sip. But the benefits don't stop there. This extraordinary concoction is also believed to cleanse the lungs. In a world where air pollution is an ever-present concern, having a natural detox for your lungs sounds pretty appealing, doesn't it? Beyond respiratory health, the Chinese miracle drink is said to boost overall vitality. It's like having a health insurance policy in a glass. So, whether you're a believer or a skeptic, there's no denying the allure of the Chinese miracle drink. It's a testament to the ancient wisdom of Chinese health practices, offering a tantalizing blend of tradition, mystery, and potential health benefits. In a world where health is wealth, the Chinese miracle drink offers an intriguing promise. Imagine a beverage concocted from traditional herbs, potentially bolstering your respiratory health. The secret lies in its age-old ingredients known for their potent properties. This miraculous beverage could very well be a breath of fresh air for your lungs, literally and figuratively. So next time you feel a cough coming on, maybe reach for a glass of the Chinese miracle drink. Who knows? You might not cough again for the next 30 years.